18 Via Castello, which is a small house, a nice little garden. There's an awning that extends electrically, awning fans. And here's the living room. And that's the food channel on television. Obviously, there are about 3 channels devoted to food. The house is on 3 levels. Down here is the garage and a laundry room and toilet and another shower. Cooking area, dining table. Next door neighbour's house. Here's Jackie demonstrating how to sit on the bed. And a view of the hills which actually look more impressive if you're not looking through the camera. The Augean hills, which are volcanic and cover quite a big area nearby. And the second bedroom, bags nearly packed, ready to leave tomorrow. So that's it.